Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to this Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube and stuff like that. I'm waiting on the bus. I'm on St. Bernard and Miro, just in case you're not familiar with New Orleans. You know, look at the sign, St. Bernard. St. Bernard. Okay, so well. I hope this being my thumbnail. Hopefully this sign will be in my thumbnail and like you know. Wait a minute. Turn red light. All right, so anyway, y'all, by me just being here on the ball and stuff like that, not on the ball or whatever. Okay, so you see, y'all, I'm just here hanging out and stuff like that. I bought me NBA 2K10, you know. So my cousin Ricky, he lucky I don't know how to play NBA 2K, you know. He lucky I can't play that, cause I beat his butt, you know. The thing about Ricky, he cannot beat me in NBA Jam. He suck in NBA Jam, ladies and gentlemen. You know, he cannot beat me in NBA Jam. Neither Solomon or Ryan, you know what I'm saying? They're garbage in NBA Jam. All right. I sure love putting at this. I hope this go on my thumbnail, you know. I really hope this gonna go on my thumbnail, you know. On YouTube, you know. Yep. How would that be? Because it's already my thumbnail on YouTube, you know. All right, so by me just being here and stuff like that, you know. So anyway, what I'm gonna do, if I could do a live stream, I'm a live stream me beating Ricky in NBA Jam, you know, cause he garbage in NBA Jam. I beat him twice in NBA Jam. He was like, oh, yeah, he was. So yeah, he was garbage, you know. Okay. Yeah, but hopefully nobody around here thinking I'm talking to myself, but which I'm not. I'm talking to you viewers, you know. Okay. So anyway, y'all, I don't think people care who I'm talking to, you know. So the little that they know, if they watch my show, then they'll know that I'm talking to you. Finish playing Bucky Your Hair, you know. I keep pointing to that sign because I wanted to be in my thumbnail, you know. If it don't know what the hell, oh well. Well, I need to be careful. My auntie don't want me cursing on my show, cause you know she be telling me don't be cursing on my show, yeah. She be telling me right, you know. She be telling me right, you know. So the thing is though, I need y'all to continue on watching my show. If you're watching me on Facebook, watch me on YouTube, because pretty soon, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be doing my show at Riley's graduation, if the law said the same. Let's continue on praying that, or let's see if the bus coming. Oh, I don't see a piece of bus down there. Well, you can never tell with a bus coming or not. Maybe that's going to be in my thumbnail. You know, who knows? Okay, so I'm gonna continue on, but I'm gonna continue on doing this show, you know, and I well, all right. As y'all can see though, rallies. I love rallies. Who love rallies? Who from the St. Bernard? Me. Domino from the St. Bernard, not St. Bernard Parish, St. Bernard Project, you know. Oh yeah, so somebody just went here. All right, so as I was saying, y'all, by y'all just watching me, so You know, like I said on my YouTube live, I got to charge his phone up here, so I'll talk to y'all later, okay? Thank y'all for watching.